Welcome to Mechanic Pros, your go-to spot for car repairs, tips, and everything engines. If you love learning simple, practical ways to keep your car running smoothly, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss a new video.
Ever wondered how your car starts with just a simple turn of the key? It all begins with one tiny but powerful part, the spark plug. Let's break down the parts of a spark plug. At the very top, we have the terminal, where the ignition coil connects. Next is the insulator, made of ceramic, which keeps electricity flowing only where it should. The shell is the metal body that threads into the engine. Here's the gasket, which seals the combustion chamber. The ribs along the insulator help prevent electrical leakage. At the tip, you'll see the insulator tip, which exposes the electrode. The center electrode is where the spark originates, and the side electrode is the ground that completes the spark gap. Together, these parts create the spark that ignites the air-fuel mixture, powering your engine.
Spark plugs are small devices that sit at the top of your engine cylinders. Their job is simple but essential. They ignite the air and fuel mixture with an electric spark. That spark creates an explosion, and that's what powers your engine. Without spark plugs, your car wouldn't even start. Healthy spark plugs mean smoother acceleration, better fuel economy, and reliable performance. But when they wear out, you'll notice problems like rough idling, engine misfires, and even difficulty starting your car. That's why checking and replacing spark plugs on time is a key part of car maintenance. So next time you start your car, remember, it's the spark plugs doing the magic behind the scenes. Small but mighty. They keep your engine alive and running strong. If you enjoy car repair videos and want to learn more about auto maintenance, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.